Alright guys, now for today's video, we're going to talk about generator BNB, no? At this is a platform wherein you can generate BNB essentially, no? At also you can enjoy other benefits other than that, just as of course like getting rewards, no? From it. Also you can get um, tawag doon, referrals din. You can earn via referrals din, no? So, if you have, like, people that are also interested and, kunwari, ano to, syempre maaga pa to, you can make then a specific amount of money, no? Pero syempre, guys, I would say na this project is, tawag doon, this is more of a degen at hindi po siya sure money. More of like tawag doon, medyo high risk din po to, no? Kaya always do your own research and also invest what you can afford to lose lang po dito, no? And of course, if hindi pa po kayo nakapag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe right now. This is Crypto Addict here, back again with new contents every single day, guys. And let's just jump right into it, okay, no? So first of all, a generator BNB, what you just need here is a MetaMask, no? Or a Binance Chain. So, ako, magla-login lang po ako sa aking MetaMask. At i-approve ko lang actually ito. I-connect ko yung account ko sa MetaMask ko. Make sure na dapat BSC din po yung gamit niyo pong network dito, sir, mga sir. So, una-una, 100% decentralized at more than tawag doon 5 BNB na yung 5 BNB na yung burn kasi 1 BNB is equals to 1 gen. So, 3 BNB na rin yung na-generate, no? So, if makita mo dito, may tatlong modules kang pwedeng salihan. So, unang-una, yung isa is, kapag 3 days siya nakalock, 4% yung pwede mong makuha daily. Now, yung number 2 module, 6% daily, pero 6 days naman yung pwede mong makuha. 6 days mo naman siya pwede ma-redeem. At syempre, last but not the least is yung module 3 na 10% daily, pero 10 days mo din siya kailangan i-wait bago ka po makapag-withdraw or can do anything. Okay? No, so also, yung team bonus po dito na tinatawag is that yan po yung makukuha mo kung meron kang mga ang tawag ng mga tao dito is downline eh. No? So kung ikaw yung upline nila, yan yung makukuha mo na bonuses, no? At what you just need to do is kopyahin mo yung link na meron ka, tapos dun sa mga interested din na tao na maglagay lang dito, let's say 500 pesos, $10, $20, gagamitin nila yung link mo, tapos you can get a small amount of profits then from it. So, of course, don't worry naman about it kasi first of all, yung ganitong tawag guys is that hindi naman siya like kinukuha like from your money whatsoever. Okay, galing din po to sa platform, no? So, it's more of like just maximizing your gains din, guys, no? So, dito, you can burn, ayan ang pwede mo i-burn, no? So, 1 BNB is equals to 1 gen. So, ang minimum lang po dito is 0.02 BNB or if I'm not mistaken, that's around 300 pesos, 200 pesos, no? So, ayun siya, ayun yung generate BNB, guys, no? At also, this is very easy. Chinek ko na rin sa Twitter account nila. Ano ba yung Twitter account nila? So, meron silang 81 followers, no? Nag-start lang siya this January, no? So, syempre, it's a good stuff din. Unang-una, kasi kung kaka-start lang, hindi ka left behind. So, yun yung pinaka-pino-point out ko dito, guys, ha? Hindi ka left behind. So, after nyan is that, syempre, bukod nyan, BNB naman siya. So, kung usapang BNB, maganda kasi ang galawan ng BNB, guys. Hindi siya malabo for me eh. So, I would say hindi ka masyado makaka-experience ng pagbaba ng prices, no? Baka nga actually it's one of the tokens na hino-hold ko din, no? So, dito mo makikita yan guys sa team, no? So, one pager lang siya. Meron din silang docs na tinatawag. So, documentation ang tawag dito guys, no? Wherein na-explain nila yung token. So, there's only 10,000 gen tokens that are available here. At ito yung tokenomics nila, no? So, yung tokenomics nila is basically more into, tawag doon, yung magkano nga siya daily. Of course, that's number one. Tawag doon, ilan din yung burn. So, I think that's also important, no? Kung ano yung, tinidiscuss kung ano yung burn, paano siya binoburn. Kasi syempre, kapag binoburn po ang isang bagay, lalo na pagdating sa crypto, tumataas din po yung magiging value niyan. Kasi syempre, mas konti yung nagsisirculate na nandun sa loob. No? So, yun lang po for today's video guys. No? Meron din silang guys, security and risk dito kasi hindi naman po to 100%. No, so for sure, I will be putting as well the description box. I will be putting the link, rather, sorry for that guys, into the description box below. So that you'll be able to also join as well guys, no. So for those people that are interested, okay, I will just put the link again. At yun lang po for today's video guys. Thank you so much and God bless po sa inyong lahat.